Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying connection details and removing obvious blockers. Note the SSID and IP type. Once done, power cycle modem and router, unplug for 10 seconds, then restore power because this clears transient routing issues. Next, reboot your computer or phone and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy, since those often hijack traffic. Make sure you record any error messages or unusual IP like 169, 254, X. That tells you whether DHCP failed and guides the next, more detailed steps. You now test layer by layer to locate the fault. First, run ipconfig or ifconfig to confirm IP, gateway, and DNS. Renew the DHCP lease if your IP looks wrong. Then ping the gateway. If that fails, the router or local link is the issue. If gateway responds, ping 8. A failure beyond the gateway indicates upstream ISP problems. After that, check DNS with enslookup or dig and temporarily set a public DNS like 8 to rule out name resolution failures. You finish by applying targeted fixes and verifying results. Flush DNS and reset the TCP/IP stack, then remove and reinstall the network adapter drivers so corrupted settings are cleared. Test connectivity after each change. If problems persist and affect all devices, factory reset the router as a last resort, then reconfigure SSID and security settings. If that still fails, contact your ISP, give them the traceroute and modem LED status, because they can confirm upstream outages or provisioning faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.